we'll explore how to create detailed alphas using ZBrush. To do this, we reduce the stage resolution to 512 by 512. And select the ring from the standard objects. Once we've placed the ring on stage, we no longer need to switch to the edit mode. This means we are currently working in 2D editing. To transform the object on the stage, we have Move, Scale, and Rotate available up here in this section. The shortcuts for the buttons are similar to those in 3D applications like Maya or Max. W for Move, E for Scale, and R for Rotate. Now we'll duplicate our object and move it to the side. To duplicate the object, press Shift S, then move it to the side accordingly. When we have the perfect composition, we simply click on Draw again. Since we want to create our alpha seamlessly, we hold the tilde key and move our image content with the left mouse button. To save the image information we generated as an alpha, we go to the alpha palette at the top. Then to the Transfer submenu. Here we press the Grab Dock button. And that's how you create an alpha image in ZBrush. Now let's take another look at the alpha image in application. We'll enlarge the stage for it a bit. And continue to increase the tiling pattern to see if the image is truly seamless. Set the application method back to drag rectangle. And we see it worked wonderfully. In the next video, we'll explore stencils and how to effectively use them.